Hello friends, welcome back to the many video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Tecno mobile setting, and today friends I am going to show guys Tecno mobile guys date and time setting, and today video title guys how to change Tecno mobile date and time. Friends, you want to change your mobile date, you want to change your mobile time. So friends, how to change one by one, step by step friends we will talk about. So before starting the friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon. Friends, open your phone setting. After on phone setting friends, open your Tecno mobile or system setting. Last option friends, click here system setting. After on system setting friends, you want to change your device language. So friends, click here and select language, and you can change your device language from here. And you want to add any language, you can add language, then you can change language. Friends, click here date and time setting. Friends, you want to change date, you want to change time, you cannot change. And friends, you want to change time zone, so you cannot change time zone because set time zone automatic setting is on. First of all off, then friends you can select time zone, you can change time zone in your Tecno mobile. And after on you cannot change. Same setting with date and time setting also. Click here use network provide time setting, off use network provide time setting. And friends, click here date setting, you can change date in your mobile. So friends, I will change here May 3, and time I will change here 4 o'clock AM PM. You can change from here. So friends, I will change here PM. OK option. Friends, you can check time, date and time will show Wednesday 3rd May, and time is 4 PM. And friends, you want to change your Tecno mobile time format setting, you want to use 24-hour format setting. Open your phone date and time setting, and click here use 24-hour format setting. After guys, time will not show 4 PM, time will show 16. So like that friends, you can change time format also in your Tecno mobile. So I friends, you understood how to use 24-hour format setting, and after all guys, time will show 4 PM. And guys, if you own use network provide time setting, so guys correct time and correct date will set in your Tecno mobile 12 PM Tuesday 2 May. So like that friends, you can use date and time full setting in your Tecno mobile. So bye friends, thanks for watching the video guys.